everyone, this is Coach Julio and I hope you are well. So today is going to be a very fun video because we are going to discuss fitness myths. And I'm going to start us off by throwing out a few misconceptions such as, will strength training make you bulky? And one of my all-time favorites is that doing abs exercises alone will lead to that awesome six-pack abs that I always wanted. So I'm going to ask you to participate. I'm going to ask you if you agree or disagree and to post your comments. So you don't want to miss this video. Misinformation, misconceptions, tall tales, fables, whatever you want to call them, they're all over the place, especially on the internet these days. So I'm just going to throw out a few of my favorite misconceptions or fitness myths that make me say, So fitness myth number one, will strength training make me bulky? Yes and no. Yes, if and only if you have a program that is including a specific nutrition part of that fitness program to help you bulk up, because you're going to need not a caloric deficit but a caloric surplus, and then it comes to macronutrients if you want a healthy weight gain. Secondly, the program will have to be designed for bulking or hypertrophy or in building muscle mass. So the straight answer is, if you are concerned about bulking up, chances are you won't. Now there is a gray area. What is that gray area, Julio? And this applies to everyone. You're going to have a physiological adaptation to the strength training, especially if you never strength trained before. So yes, you're going to feel your clothes differently if you just started strength training. But there's going to come a point your gains are not going to be the same as when you first started, so you would have to change your program. So the long and short of it, or the short and long of it, is this. No, you are not going to get bulky if you are strength training. So don't postpone your strength training because you fear of getting bulky. Start today. And if you're looking for some videos on how to get started with strength training at home or in gym, there's plenty of videos on my YouTube channel to get you started. Fitness myth number two. Hey man, don't squat below parallel, or don't allow your knees to break 90 degrees when you're squatting. You may have heard this before. There's even professionals that say that do not squat past 90 degrees with knee flexion. Come on now. So here's the truth. You can safely squat below parallel. You can safely squat past 90-degree flexion. So the answer may be how? You may have to choose a different stance than your neighbor or your friend and your partner. Everybody's hip structure is differently. So for someone to squat below parallel or to get a little bit below 90-degree knee flexion, they may have to have a wider stance. You know, it could also depend on height and also other preconditions you may have. So like with any exercises, you never squat or do an exercise without pain or discomfort. So if you're trying to see how low you can squat, I would suggest this. Watch some of my videos. I actually have some videos that teaches how to squat below parallel. I use boxes and other equipment, and also explain how different stances again can help you squat slightly or even way lower, as we say, butt to the ground squats. Fitness myth number three. Here we go. This is one of my all-time favorites. I'm going to do a whole bunch of ab exercises. Matter of fact, I saw this commercial that says if I buy this ab equipment, I'm going to get exactly what I'm seeing on TV. No. There you go. So here's an old saying: abs are made in the kitchen. Boom. So yes, you can do a whole bunch of ab exercises. You have that strong abdominal strength and you can feel it, but it might be hiding under a layer of fat. Now, hope is not lost. Why? Because all you need to do is start to incorporate nutrition that's based on your lifestyle along with your exercises, and just be open-minded. You're in luck. I actually have a whole bunch of videos that's designed for long-term weight loss and body sculpting. So you want to check the playlist on my YouTube channel to get started today. So I can go on and on and on. You know, there's equipment you can buy that promotes weight loss. Matter of fact, you very likely are going to lose a lot of water, and even though you look cool with that gear, you're not getting exactly, technically you are getting what you're buying for, which is the weight loss, but it isn't the long-term weight loss you're looking for. So now it's your turn. I want you to tell me what is your all-time favorite fitness myth or misconception or talk tale or fable. Post it in the comment. I want to hear it, and I want to start actually a thread or a list of all the myths that are out there, so when people review this video they can see it, we can discuss it, and we can debunk it in real time, because the goal is for us to be efficient with our training and get optimal results. Agree or disagree? Great. So post your comments and don't forget to subscribe.